Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to print out a directory listing of a specific folder in Windows. So we've done a couple videos on how to do this using third-party applications, but if you want to do it without having to install anything, we're going to show you how to do so. Alright, so we're going to be doing so with our Documents folder, printing out the files and folder list here. So the first thing we need to do is open up a command prompt and point it to the directory we want to do this for. So you could either open a command prompt and browse to that directory, or on this computer we have a little hack here. You don't want to do open in terminal because that's going to open the PowerShell window. But you can get to a command prompt from here if you want, and then just navigate to it. Alright, so we're going to do this option here. We added this open admin command prompt here. It doesn't have to be an admin command prompt, but we have this option. I'll put a link in the description if you want to see how to add this to your computer as well. Alright, so we're in the Documents folder. Alright, so the first one we're going to do is a directory, and then pipe it out to list.txt. So it's going to print out that directory and put it in a file called list.txt. You could change this to whatever you want if you don't want it to be list. And then we'll put this text file in the folder we're printing the list out for. So we'll just copy this here, paste it in there, press enter. Alright, so now it's in here. Let's just refresh. Okay, so you can see what it did there. Shows you the drive, serial number, the path, shows a couple directories here, the sizes, the name, the date and time. It shows which ones are actual directories compared to files, like that. Alright, so now we're going to do a little different method here to a different file. I'll show you what this one does. Refresh the screen. Okay, so now you can see this one just printed out the folder path and the file name for each one. So if that's what you're looking for, you can do that as well. Alright, so now we're going to use the tree command here. So this will just print out the tree structure or folder structure for that particular directory. Alright, so it gives you the serial number, the drive letter, then this is a folder, this is a folder, this is a subfolder of confidential files, and so is this, and this is another folder. Alright, so that's another option. Alright, so then for the next method, we're going to just simply select all of the files and folders in the folder we want to make a listing of. So Control A, then go up to the ellipsis here, the three dots, go to Copy Path, open a new window here. You can put this in Excel or Word, doesn't have to be Notepad. Paste it in. Now you can see it gives us the same results as this one does, but it puts it in the order that the files happen to be in. So in this case, it's sorted by newest file first. So let's say you wanted in alphabetical order or by size. Let's do by name. All right, now we'll do Control A again. Copy path. Let's do a new one here. So now you can see we have the same thing, except this time all the files are in alphabetical order. Then of course, you could sort it by size, for example. But that's not going to show you the size. It's still just going to show the path and the name. All right, so there are your methods. So once again, you could use either one of these to do so. So I'll put these in the description as well. And of course, you could do the copy path method if you like that better. And then, like I said, I will put the link in the description how to add that right-click command prompt option. Then I'll also put some links to some of the third-party apps you could try as well. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.